Alright, what is going on, everyone? It's been a while since I've done a video, but with work kind of slowing down because of this virus, um, I got on Craigslist and was just kind of browsing around and came across this Cobra gauge cluster for a pretty good price. He was asking $100 for it, and I haven't been able to find one for under $200. Um, so I offered him 80 and he took it, so I picked it up the other day. He said it was working when he took it out of the car. The glass here is a little scratched up, so I think I'm going to swap my glass with this here and then use this new cluster. So with mine, I don't know if you guys remember in one of the last videos, my tach was kind of messing up. I repaired it with like a window defogger copper, and it kind of works, but it still kind of messes up the tach sometimes. And also my trip meter, neither of them work, so hopefully, you know, this one works. It's got fewer miles on the meter, but I ended up finding out actually that my car has 160, not 103,000 miles on it. So I'm guessing one of the previous owners rolled back the odometer, which is kind of disappointing, but you know, what are you going to do? I mean, I bought this as a project car, so I plan on basically fixing everything on it, so and then tracking it, so mileage doesn't really matter to me. But anyways, picked this up, so I'm going to swap it out today. And I also, from Super Bright LEDs, bought cool white LED lights for the gauge cluster, and I'll have some before and after pics of standard bulbs versus the new LEDs. So this will be a short video, and I'll just get to it. Alright, everyone, I got the new gauge cluster installed. I didn't film the whole process because you guys seen it last time whenever I was trying to fix the tachometer. So what I did was I swapped the glass, like the little plastic screen part in front, swapped my old one onto the new one since my old one was in better shape, and then swapped some of the bulbs as well, and then I installed the new LED bulbs into this new one. It looks pretty good. I like it a lot better than the old kind of like dull white look. These are a lot brighter, and I like the blue. I think it looks pretty good. Also, the tach is working. I started the car up, which you'll see in the next video. I might include that. I just kind of revved it a little bit, but it's raining outside, so I don't really want to take it out today. It's supposed to be pretty nice tomorrow, so I might take it out tomorrow. Maybe get a video, I don't know. I got a drone, so I'm wanting to do some cool videos with the drone following it as I'm driving around, so we might do something like that. But yeah, this is it. Just like I said, short video. Also, I think my next thing I'm going to do is the EGR delete and the smog pump delete. So if you guys have any links to how to delete the smog pump, I found a bunch of stuff on the EGR, but the smog, the SAI, I guess is what it's called, secondary air injection, I think is what it is. If you guys have any videos or any how-tos on how to get rid of that and like what vacuum lines to cap and to remove and whatnot, comment below, because I'd really appreciate that. I'm kind of looking at it and a little confused on what I can remove and what I can't remove, but yeah, I plan on getting rid of that since it is some extra weight up front. Trying to get rid of all that weight that's up front. Hopefully in the future get a aftermarket K-member, and then get the battery relocated to the trunk, kind of get some better weight distribution so I can get this thing to the track and have it handling a little bit better. But yeah, sorry guys that I haven't really posted lately, but just been busy with work, and now that we got this virus going around, I am got some free time, so I'm going to be working on this a little bit more. See you next time.